It's not going to hurt. No, it's not. No, it's not. Put your head back. Come on. Stop it. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Stop. Open your mouth.
Come on, Shelby.
Come on. I got a million things to do. Stop it.
Shelby. It'll be quick and easy.
It is not going to hurt. Shelby, there's nothing holding it in there. It's got to come out or you're going to swallow it. You've got food. Stop. Stop.
Keep coughing. You might cough it out.
You have food stuck in it that you're not going to be able to brush out. Now open your mouth. Stop. It is not going to hurt. It is not going to hurt. Open.
Oh my goodness.
Stop it. Oh, this is ridiculous. Stop. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Look at this one.
What are you crying about? Oh my goodness.
Really, that's fun. Hey, what's the matter? Hey, you hear sister crying? You think she's going?
She's fine. She's got
Really, is that funny? Ah. Oh. Shelby, where you at? What's the matter? Come smile for me, babe.
I look very ugly.
Come here. Come here. Shelby, come here.
I wanted to look at my tooth and I dropped it.
Oh, you lost it already? Where'd you drop it?
In the bathroom.
You can't find it?
Oh,
Sydney.
I want to look and find your tooth.
Oh my goodness. Bring the tooth down here, please. Dropped it already.
She dropped it where?
In the bathroom.
Oh.
We found it. We found it.
Yay, bring it down here. Shelby, you gotta do your encore. Smile for me. Oh, come on, show everybody.
I'll smile for her.
It doesn't do any good. You're beautiful, but I want Shelby to smile.
Look ugly.
Oh, come on, let me see. No, that's not smiling.
Don't want to smile.
Smile, please. Why? I got cookies.
Cookie.
Ice cream. Hey, wait, look at that. Look at that. Oh, now where's the tooth? Let me see.
Don't got no clothes on.
And the whole thing came out. And that is my tooth.
Let me see. No, not that.
Let me see the smile. Smile, smile. Say bye-bye.